Hello, this video guide will explain how to write a question for a session. Web version. This guide will explain how to ask a question to a speaker for a particular session and how to vote on questions other attendees have asked. The questions are sorted by highest voted questions on top. In the home page, click on Agenda in the left menu. Click on the session you want to write a question for. Left of the media player, click on the Q&A tab. Here you will be able to see what other attendees' questions were and write your own questions. To vote on a question, click on the vote button next to the question. The button will turn blue to indicate that you have successfully voted on the question.